Jagannath Prasadam. Srila Puri Goswami Maharaj. We not take, we are lazy. But I heard Puri Goswami Maharaj took little Jagannath Prasadam, start his day with the Prasadam. Understand? So I'm very happy to hear that. Someone doing this is one kind of so nice. Therefore, they're afraid of the Russian devotees. We don't know why such. But in Vrindavan, not like that. Vrindavan, everyone is allowed. Everyone go everywhere. Here is some rules and regulation. But Jagannath will come tomorrow. Then not so much rule. Everyone can see him at least. Before can embrace. White devotee can embrace Jagannath. But now some fighting with the panda, money, things, some big fighting. And then they stop. Panda for money they fighting and they stop. Before many Western white devotees go and embrace Jagannath. So so nice. So she have a place now to go and stay. She got some place. Okay. 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 Today Rangadevi Mata came here. She took prasadam. I wrote to come all, but maybe they are. So, okay. But what we should give her? Eh, some fruits or anything shall I give you? Or prasad? Downstairs. হ্যাঁ 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 পাতার মধ্যে করে হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ অন্নপ্রসাদ কি আছে হ্যাঁ নিচেও প্রসাদ আছে বোধ হচ্ছে নিচে পাতার মধ্যে করে একটু নিয়ে আসুন পরমান্ন যদি থাকে পরমান্ন প্রসাদ ভালো পরমান্ন ডাল মাছ okay nice so nice and which near to Haripriya place or another place
I want
Oh, they will stay same hotel.
no.
Екатеринбург. Екатеринбург. This is Siberia. Siberia. No, Siberia. Center of Russia.
Good. Not same place of Haripriya, but they have connection. Yes. Okay. She's coming. Good news. Our English, the Words of Divine book printed. I told that if it's Rasa Yatra possible, and the Piyush is a very good boy. You can see on that. He, the owner of the press, for me, so he printed some copies. So I'm trying to get maybe Haripriya will bring here or somebody will bring. Today we collect from Kolkata copies, and tomorrow we can send to Mayapur and Haripriya and maybe Abdulgan coming, right? We can give them, they will bring here to give Jagannath. Yes. Okay, good. If we have a connection with devotee, then we shall come in devotional life, devotional line. If we have if you have a connection with a drunkard, if we are smart, we shall be drunkard very soon. So if we connection with the devotee, we shall, this is natural, it's normal. And if we have good fortune, then we shall come in a connection with the devotees. Come in connection with the devotees, no doubt. So she visited.
She understands it's good luck for her.
Yes, no doubt. Haripriya, very good soul, and she doing so much seva, means helping in the service of the Lord, by giving so much donation every time. She helping, he joining in the service of Bhagavan. And she's very good-hearted. Yes, and I'm seeing Jagannath Mercy is there. So much Jagannath Prasadam, Jagannath Mercy is going. His devotees who love Jagannath also will love. Exactly, yes. Jagannath loves his devotees very much. Jagannath, okay. Rice, rice? Rice, yes, I give rice. Yeah. ওইখানে ওটা দিয়ে এখানে দিয়ে দাও ওকে একটা এদিকে বাস okay. This is today lunch feast. Vaishnav Seva. Today Vaishnav Seva. Many Vaishnav. Right, Sada rice. Yeah, so did it. Okay, okay. একটু অন্ন নিয়ে আসলে হয় অন্য ডাল very good. Paramanna is very good. And Prabhu is famous for cleaning this road, Jagannath Road.
Maharaj, maybe you can tell what is prasadam, what means prasadam before she started taking.
Okay, yes. This is, I mean, it's food. Normally it looks like food. But we say it's prasadam because it is remanent. It's a remanent. The Lord's already took, and what is left, that's called prasad. We offered the Lord, and Lord accepted. He accepted, but he left something, right? So that's called prasadam. Understand? Lord's remanent, and it is very powerful. Lord's charanamrita means Lord's bathing water. Lord's prasadam is so like a mercy of the Lord. Prasad means mercy. So prasad means mercy coming to us. প্রসাদ সেবা করিতে হয় সকল প্রপঞ্চ জয় সকল প্রপঞ্চ we can conquer this illusory world, material world, by accepting, honoring this prasadam. Yes, if we honor this prasadam, we can conquer this material illusory world, right? So prasadam is, I mean, devotee when offered, Lord happily accept it. Oh, he given me, it's so nice. Okay, but he again returned something as his remanent for his devotees, as his remanent for his, so that prasad we must honor. ওই বাড়িতে উঠেছেন? ঠিক আছে। ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে। সো যাক, খুব ভালো, মঠটা হয়ে আমাদের নিশ্চিত হয়েছে। So this prasad, uh, we honor. We say we honor the prasadam. If we honor prasad seva, then Lord will be pleased with us. Lord will be happy that he anything toyu upabhukta sragandha pasalankar charchita uchchishta bhojino dasastava mayang jayamihi. We 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 are under illusory energy, maya, and it is very strong. We cannot overcome. But how to overcome? We mention if we মানে কি বলে, accept, if we take his prasadam, like not only this food and etc., but as a garland, some sand, some sandalwood paste, what we offer, cloth, anything we offer the Lord, then we can take as a prasadam, and by accepting that prasadam, we can overcome his maya, his illusory energy. It is told in Bhagavatam. But in Prasadam mantra, Mahaprasade Govinde Nam Brahme Vaishnave Salpapurna Patangrajan Vishwasana. You have already faith. Okay, okay, nice, very good. বাপরে, কত এনেছে, এত খেতে পারবে? অত খেতে পারবে? অত পারবে না গো, নষ্ট করে। ডেইলি না, ডেইলি জগন্নাথের প্রসাদ খায় রাশিয়াতে থেকে। ও সেবা করে রাস্তা রাস্তা ছাড়বে। কত আনলেন গো, এত খেতে পারবে? এত খেতে পারবে? ফেলে দেবে না তো? Okay, now she can wash hand. জলটা খুলে আমি খুলে দেবো, যেমন খুলে আপনার হাত প্রসাদই তো, হাত প্রসাদই, হাত